turn on the diggity dock. That was like 19 minutes. Like 19 minutes. Yo, it's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king. Because everything I do get about 20 views, whether it's music, 20 views, not 21, not 22, about 20 views. That don't really make sense because sometimes it do be 21, 22. But even if it's cops doing what they do, 20 views. Yo, hit the like, subscribe, share. Yo, this dude, what was it? Something Gonzo. He even donated money for me to do a reaction. So yeah, I'm definitely doing that all day. He get free reactions for the rest of the time I'm doing YouTube. Whenever he asks for something, I'm doing it because shit, homeboy gave me money. That shit crazy, man. I'm making money off of YouTube. Look at me, mama. But yeah, like, share. You see me on the thumbnail, like, that's what you're gonna get. But we doing cop videos and shit today. See, we just did one with some kids try to run from the cops and shit ain't work. This ain't no cop video though. Yeah. Alright, I don't want to see no more fleeing. Alright, whatever. No. I don't want to see no more fleeing. Let's see this one. You are acting high. You're acting like you might be high. Not acting, sir. I am high. Let's go. Honesty is the best policy always. Woman who was really high and had to pee. Officers were dispatched to a call about a woman rolling around on the side of the road. The officer finds her in the alley acting strange. I don't really know what else to say other than drugs are bad. Okay. What channel is this? I ain't never watched one that was funny. Oh, Columbus Police Body Cam. Okay, whatever. Drugs are just bad and kind. Drugs are just bad and kind.
Yeah. Help
I
me.
can't help you pee.
No, but you
We're in the area on your right.
can't help me, sir.
Cracky monster.
To the bathroom, sir.
Where at?
You can...
There's lots of places you go to the bathroom.
What do you mean?
You
Can
go.
I pay you?
No,
Oh my god.
I don't take money for that.
Say. Alright, come on.
Come on,
Are you
what?
ready?
Ready for what?
No.
Why are you so wet? Are you sweating?
No, silly. I can't.
People don't.
Dang, she on. What is she on that does that?
Have you taken something tonight?
No.
It's not a crime to tell me that you
Don't
taken
lie.
something. I just wanna make sure
You
you're
took a lot tonight.
You're acting like you're high out of your
Oh
mind.
gosh, I'm not acting, sir.
Okay.
I am.
You are high
Yeah,
out of
okay.
your mind?
Yeah.
What'd you take?
Yeah.
What'd you take?
Nothing, sir.
Everything. Yeah, stop. Make up your mind.
Be
She can't think. She hot.
So what?
What's
So
got you?
goofy?
Yeah.
Did
Did you use a little bit of meth today, or is it just crack?
I personally?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Well, you're.
This ain't funny, but she really gotta pee. She really has to pee. Like, I know that feeling. I don't know the feeling of having to pee while I'm high, but I know the feeling of having to pee. And that lady gotta pee. I think she legit gotta pee. Poor lady.
I realize that you do have to pee, but
Yikes.
this isn't what people act like when they have to
Yeah. Please have it.
Actually, I can't be laughing at
Have
this
it,
stuff.
sir.
have what?
Have it.
What am I supposed to have?
What is supposed to happen? Aw. I can't watch women being distressed, man. That shit does not make me feel good.
Yes.
Okay.
I ain't no simp or nothing. I just,
You want me to take?
I don't like
you want me
watching
to take
it.
you to the UF so you can go to the bathroom?
I'd walk away from them.
Well, I can probably get you in there.
Are you ready?
Just Columbus again, man. What the fuck is up with Columbus, yo? The drugs is real.
Do you want me to take you there so you can go pee and you stop freaking out?
Sir.
Okay.
Oh, I don't feel good, sir.
Do you want me
I
to
would
go
never
pee
work in
for
no
you?
Columbus show.
No, sir.
I mean, I mean to stop saying that because the way shit going down right now with me getting thrown under the bus at work, I'm about to work anywhere. Anywhere that'll pay my unvaccinated
Hop
black
in so I can
ass.
take you there.
That's at NYC? What you know about NYC, cracky?
Put your leg in.
I couldn't be no cop, man. I couldn't be no damn cop having to deal with people like this. I could not. I could not. Because she's being ridiculous. She's being ridiculous. Ugh.
192. 192.
Oh,
I'm
God.
gonna have a 5-1 over the UDF out of this if you're gonna be able to permit me there.
Okay.
Yeah, what was the address again that the homeowner lives? How long ago?
Yes.
Copy, is that place more needed, sir? Not yet.
Oh, man. Alright. She's a mess.
Owner house, that's all.
Down.
Down goes Frazier. Did she just hit him with a down goes Frazier? Did she just hit us with a down goes Frazier?
Please. Help. Come on.
We'll probably see you in a little while.
Can you at least like hold my arm?
No, we're gonna hold on like
I'm
this.
running nowhere, sir.
I know, but you're acting really weird.
Oh, this isn't fair. I don't even have underwear on.
Alright.
This isn't fair. What you mean?
We're gonna go to the Vexio again. Am I
Your life's a mess,
All
honey.
the way. Why?
doing this for your own safety?
You know that I got sir.
That's somebody's kid, yo.
Cool.
Well, if she was somebody's kid,
Sir.
Okay. Well, let's get you to the hospital.
And then I have this cough, sir.
Okay. Well, let's get you to the
Ugh.
hospital for
No,
more
sir.
treatment.
Wait, is this
I don't wanna
COVID
go to the
times?
hospital.
What hospital were you
Oh.
at?
They scare me. I wasn't in a.
You said you were at the hospital today for treatment.
Okay, well, here's the scoop.
Uh-huh.
I was at
Here's
what's
the
it
scoop.
called? Max.
Okay.
That's it. Sir.
Alright, I'm done with you.
You are
No.
kind of.
I'm done watching sad ass shit. Take her ass to the hospital. That's what she needs to be. Yes. Yes, she needs to be in the hospital.
Okay, are you?
And I mean,
You want to go in this?
what's the adage? Crackheads don't go to freaking rehab, they go to jail. She need to go to jail, man. Go get clean for a while. But she's just gonna come out and do the same shit afterwards. Ain't no saving her, man. That's just charge. That's one charge to the game. That's sad. That's sad. Ain't no. Oh man, I hate to say it, but once some people are going like that, only thing you can do is make their life easier. Like you can't really change what they're doing. All you can do is accept the fact that they do the shit and make their life easier. And some people call that enabling, but that's the only way you can love somebody like that. Either that or abandon them and allow nature to take its course. And honestly, that's unless it's your child or your mother or father, I think, yeah, you kind of go that route with sibling. I don't know, man. But that was sad, man. This shit is sad, yo. I might not be doing these shits no more.